Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool right here, and basically what this is a case that is for the iPhone 12 Pro, and it's from this brand right here, and this is basically what the case is called right here. So they actually make a lot of different type of cases for like your different iPhones. So whether you guys have the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, or any other iPhone, they definitely have it available for all different type of iPhones, but this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So the product is all nicely wrapped inside this very nice bag inside. And when you guys take it out, this is basically what the case looks like. If you can see, it definitely feels like a high quality material that they use on here. I believe they use a high quality leather on here. If you guys can see the inside layer right there, this is basically actually looks like. If you can see in the middle right here, they have a circle right here, and that basically means that it is a MagSafe compatible case. So if you guys want to use a MagSafe charger to actually charge the phone, you definitely can. And then when you guys feel the inner layer right here, it definitely feels really nice. They definitely have a very nice fabric or texture inside to actually protect your phone, which is pretty cool. And they definitely have the opening right here for the lens in the back. And they also have the opening here at the bottom as well. When you guys look at the side right here, you definitely see the buttons right here. And definitely have the slot for you guys to use the sliding button as well. And here's what it actually looks like on the other side right here. So this is the unlock and lock button. And then they do have the logo right there. And this is basically what the bottom part looks like. Let me just put it on the phone to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you basically just want to clip it in just like this. You basically want to push it in all four corners until it goes all the way in. Once you guys put it on, this is basically actually looks like. So it definitely feels like a high quality material on here, and when you guys actually grip it, it definitely has a pretty good grip. It's not like the strongest grip as compared to other cases that I tested in the past, but it definitely has a good grip when you guys feel it on here. If you guys want to use the buttons on the side, you definitely can. It's pretty sensitive, and here's what it looks like on the side right here. So if you guys want to unlock it or lock it, you can definitely press that button right there. And here's basically what the bottom part looks like. So like I mentioned, for this case, if you guys want to do wireless charging, or if you guys want to use a MagSafe charger to charge it, you definitely can. But I definitely love the feeling of the case a lot. It definitely feels like a high quality leather material that they use on here. If you guys look really carefully on the side right here, these buttons right here are actually metal, so it's definitely super responsive if you guys compare it to like plastic material from other cases. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. And especially if you guys are trying to look for a case that's made out of real leather and not fake leather, that has like the wireless charging option and also compatible MagSafe chargers, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.